Hey guys, I quickly want to tell you guys about Rachio. I just installed it. It is an outdoor sprinkling system for my 4-zone water sprinkling. I just upgraded the old system that the contractors put in with this device. So as you can see here, I have the actual interface. It's inside a box that's sold separately that's weatherproofing your device. Very easy to install. I had to install mine in stucco, so that took a little bit of extra work to get the right bits that don't come with it for masonry, but come with it for general other projects for most homes that are gonna work, including the anchors and screws. So once I put that on, it was very easy to set up. You download the app, scan this barcode, and start to sync it to your Wi-Fi device. If you have issues, I actually did because my router is pretty far away, so I reset my router and I hit this reset network button and it was able to connect almost instantly after that. So sometimes, you know, the devices need to be played with a little bit to make sure it integrates with your home system. I love the outdoor box, protects it, looks great. A total upgrade. Install the app. It goes through a test that you can do around your house. I recommend you to do that. You can actually upload photos too of the area. So if you forget what zone it is, you can just look at the photo and save 30 to 50% on your water bill for outdoor watering, because you're not wasting all the water when you're using it just with those regular schedules when you don't necessarily need to water. Easy to connect, highly recommend it to anybody. One more time, I'll show you guys the inside. Some of you guys might be interested in that. There's the power cord, so you don't need that 24 vac plug in and out here. And then also you can see the C cord, very easy. And then all my 4 zones. Make sure you get the zone that goes with your property. If you don't know, just look at the current one you have. And you're also able to note here the zones as well. Thanks guys for checking it out.